Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can create this really cool video inside text effect by using CapCut. So just press new project, and I am going to just select like a random video like this one, and I'm just going to press, you can actually just press stock video, and click on this one and press add. Then you're just going to add a text to it. Add text something like heart. I mean, it's up to you really what you want to type. I'm just gonna choose this one. Make sure the sort of font is thick, and I'm just going to adjust that. It's a little lopsided. You know what? You can adjust that yourself. This is just an example. Just going to export it like that. And after that, you are going to press new project, go to stock videos, and I'm just going to select this, but you can find other videos you want. I'm just going to wait for that to load. Okay, and I'm just going to press add. After that, I'm going to go and press overlay, add overlay, and click on the video that I've just exported. If you want to make the duration longer, you're just going to press freeze. Where is it? Do I not? Oh, I can't. Oh, because it's a picture, but like you can just copy and paste it if you want it to be a longer duration. I'm just going to click on it on the overlay, press splice, and click on darken. And here, as you can see, it has sort of like, like the video is inside of the text. You can choose either darken or slide for it. And I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!